Now the given question is sin A minus cos A equal to 0, then the value of sin power 4A plus cos power 4A. The options are 2, 1, 3 by 4, half. Okay, the answer is half. Very simple. Sin A minus cos A equal to 0, sin A equal to cos A. Sin A and cos A are equal when A equal to 45 degree, because sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2. If you substitute A equal to 1 by root 2 here, 1 by root 2 whole power 4 plus 1 by root 2 whole power 4, which is equal to 1 by root 2 power 4. What is root 2 power 4? 4 plus 1 by 4. The answer is half. Okay. So find the simple data from the given condition: sin A minus cos A equal to 0, sin A equal to cos A, A equal to 45 degree, substitute A equal to 45 degree here.